So Mr. Number to bang, Pahong Pa. One forcing two. Long serve. Pass from doing it to Hilot to number to bang, Pahong, Mr. Number two. Team Ryan serve. Pass from the back, Silver. Back with the Ipan the goal. Big score of the Balan to the Hilot. And then Hilot to bang, Pahong, yung fight to the number two. Game. Hilot serving, Hilot 3-31. Hilot passing. Yes, the ball in. Hilot serve pass to the Blanco. Kulang kayo sa Blanco. Drop sa pass ay para dito ang two. Number to the Balanin. No good. Panjang Toledo, nice one by Toledo. 1 point against the team. Ryan Van. 6 serving 1. 2. 6 serving 2. Yeah, plenty of serve to do. Pull up against Van by Mr. White ball, number 1. 6-3, half point lead of team. Back to RMC.
Aliraman ko.
Last serving to the people to the Hilot. Hilot dunking down by Mr. Rehab. 7 serving 3. Number 2 serving passing to the Pula again to number behind. Imbalik to the Hilot. Hilot for this for jump that the Pula. Pass to the door, to the number 7. Bang! Still goes wow, the dunk. Wow, nice play by team number 7.
Come on.
7-4. Lapaw yung pagpulo ang team Ryan Band. Kapag yung pinalit. 4 serving 7. Number 7 sabi ng shooter McQueen. Ito Rehab! Wow! Ang dunking zone at kapit na lipuan pa ang dunking zone. Ha? Matay, pwede ito lang yun. 7 serving 4. Oh, 8 serving 4. Brook is the outside ball. 1.2. Oh, yawa gula. Nine serving 5. Back to throw. Kulang again. Bang! No good by number 2. 6-9. 69. Ball. Oh, no, wala na. Okay, 5. Passenger coming into the formation, no good. 1 for them. 6 serving 10. Wide ball serve pass, wala na sa Hilot. Hilot agad dito Ibanya. Ibanya sa Salo. Wala sa pintak. Wide! The bad play. 1 point against the Ryan Band. Moran. He's ball jumps on, but he's for real somehow.
Good.
Center of the line, Mr.
Linder yun.
Seven serving 11, 7-11, kulang serve. Kulang serve fast, untuk malala sa hilot o namin po nanungkad. Wow, it's in a wing block. 1 point to team Ryan Bang. 12 serving 7. Hilot po sa malala, kulang block shot, bang! Still good, but nice by the feedback. Check ball. Feedback shot so fast into the people in the lot. Hilot to number 2, drop shot back, feedback. Feedback so kulang to the back, drop shot book. Here's a point to tag to Aaron. Foul, that is good to win. 9, 13, 12. Passing up into number 2. Point to the Lobo. 13, serving 9. Now, center, passing up into kulang yan sa mga rap back, yan yung pala yung sa Rehat. Serving 13. Squeeze ball serve. Passing the deep ball to Hilot over the house. Okay, the touching of the net, number 7. Serving 10. Passing at the goal. Kulang again to get to number 7. Boom! Bang! Foul ng esports in number 7. Point again.
Let's go, tulo.
11 serving 14.
Nice serve.
Pass into Balanza. Hilot to Peter Team. Yes, a point to tag to Lara. Serving 14. Back to Mr. Hilot. Rehat pass again to Mr. Bang, bang, bang. Nice break off to the foul. Serving 14. 7 serve basketball and it's a blowout point team Ryan Bang. 15 serving 13. Toledo serving. Toledo again to back to Una again. Passing to Russell into the middle again. Passing to Rehat. Rehat is over the back to block. Point here by team Ryan Bang. Toledo for passing line. Back to the top. We have to black both and under that point here by team Ryan Bang. 17 serving 13. Toledo for Brookie, goes still goes 7 again to back to the still good by Toledo. Toledo Toledo. John Ortiz. River Water and Team Lova. The 18 serving 30. Pass and pass over the band, still good, no good. Point to Caterpillar.
Dora, Dora, practice center. Talong sa sako. Nice serve.
Pass to Mr. Number 2 to the left, and away with the left.
Para dito ako, para dito. Dora, Dora, Dora. Take serve na rin. Oh, kubala, kubala.
That's left into the left, and to the left. Left of the inside under the net.
Let's go.
16 serving 19.
Go, 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 go.
Wide ball serve pass to number 2. Lotto baseball. Bang by into baseball. Pass to Rehat. Rehat into the bola with the baseball. Bang by into behind. Serving 19. Number 2 Mr. Zalibano. Open point. Serving 18. Behind and to pull up back again. This was just a back. We are going to pull up into the black. Yes, and under the net. 23-18. Labawan team, Ryan Bag. This ball pass again to Mr. Pull up back, still good. Throws into Balani, the ball is going and to Mr. It's a touchdown set. Set point serving 18. This was jump serve pass again. To Mr. Pull up, whoop, it's a point, it's a play score. Okay, game call.
Basta